Are you taking the IB Diploma Computer Science exam and want to get the best possible marks? Do you just wish somebody would tell you what it is you have to do in order to achieve the best you can? Relax, you've come to the right place. My name is John Iglar. I've taught IB Computer Science in international schools all around the world. I've created an online video course that enables IB students to independently learn how to maximize your marks on the exams and the IA. This is the second edition of this course. In the first one, I helped hundreds of students to maximize their scores on both the exams and the internal assessments. I've updated the course to cover the new curriculum that covers exams starting in the year 2027 and beyond. In this course, I'm going to go over study tips and techniques that have been proven scientifically to be successful in helping you get ready for exams. I'm going to go over the different exams and the types of questions and explain to you exactly what you have to do to answer the questions in the best way possible with the minimal amount of time. And I'm going to go through the internal assessment and explain exactly what you have to do at every stage of the way in order to earn the highest marks possible. I can't guarantee you're going to earn a 7 after this course, but the hundreds of students who took my course before were very glad they did and had great success in their IB scores. And if for some reason you take this course and you're not successful in the IB Diploma, I'll refund your money, no questions asked. Don't delay, sign up now and get ready for success on the IB exam. See you in the course.